Welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to monitor UV aerosol over a specific period using Sentinel-5 product in Google Earth Engine. If you like these types of video, please like the video and also subscribe to my channel. Okay, let's go. In order to do this, I have to define a study area. For defining, let's say, a specific area, I'm gonna use a draw rectangle. Okay, as you can see, it's added here. In the second step of adding study area, I'm gonna use map center object, copy geometry and paste here. And also I want to add my study area as a layer to my screen. Again, paste the geometry here. Okay, this part finished and I have to save the code. In order to do this, I'm gonna say UVA means let's say UVA. Okay, if I run the code, you can see that it's successfully run it, and also the name as a UVA, let's say, appeared here. Okay, in the next step, I have to define and also call all the products related to UVA aerosol. In order to do this, I'm gonna use VAR and also say a name UVA. Okay, for calling image collection is a good option. Okay, now I have to paste the ID of the, let's say, product here. For finding the ID of product, I'm gonna come to search, type Sentinel-5, and we can see aerosol product here. By clicking on that, we can see data availability from 2018 and also the ID of the product. I'm gonna copy that one. A brief explanation regarding this product, different bands that it has. Okay, I copied the ID of this product. Sorry. Then paste here the ID of product, and in the second step of this part, I have to define the specific study area as I defined it before. For this one, I'm gonna use filter band and geometry should be here. As I said, I'm gonna define, let's say, a specific date, and also for this monitoring. For this one, filter date is a good option. Based on my, let's say, research, I understand that the concentration of aerosol, UV aerosol in July and August is in a high level. For this one, I'm gonna choose this month, one of these months. For example, July. Okay. In the third step, I have to select the bands. I'm going to the aerosol product. Bands, we have here different types of bands. Solar azimuth, let's say zenith, or whatever you are interested. For this time, I'm gonna use this one, absorbing aerosol index. paste my band here. Then I have to define my time start and also time end, since I'm going to monitor the variation of UVA on a chart. For this one, I'm gonna use map function. From function, I'm gonna add the img, and I'm saying to return img as a copy, and copy properties of this data in order to copy paste to another data. Okay, in order to find time start and also time end of my monitoring, that it should be like this, I'm gonna use system time start, that is 1st of July, and time end, that is end of July. Until now everything is okay, and we finished calling the collection of Sentinel-5 product for aerosol. In the second part, I have to define the chart and also its different parts. In order to do this, I'm gonna give it a name, chart, from UI art image. Since we are going to do it for a specific period, I'm gonna use series. Inside this one, I have to define some features. For example, the name my collection should be here. Then study area, geometry. Okay, again, I have to define the method that I want to aggregate all the data. For this one, I'm gonna use reducer mean data aggregation, special resolution of these product, that is 1 kilometers. We can check here also. Okay, it's almost 1 kilometer. And for the final one, time start of, let's say, monitoring. Okay. Until now it's okay. As I said before, I have to define different parts of this chart. For example, chart type. In order to do this, I'm gonna use chart type, set chart type. We have different types of chart. For me, line chart would be a good option here. You can choose, and also a scatter chart. For line chart, I'm gonna set some options. For example, title. Since we are going to monitor UV aerosol variation, I'm gonna give it the title of UVA H-axis. Again, I have to give it a title. Year, it's a good one. Again, I'm gonna go to the next one. V-axis. Again, another title for this one. And it should be let's say, UVA tration. Okay. For now it's okay, and also I have to define line widths. 2 is a good value, and for the final one I'm gonna give it a color for color. For example, I'm gonna use blue as a good one, and let's say close my bracket. In order to see a result, I'm gonna use print, and I'm asking to print chart for me. If I save and also run the code, we can see the concentration, also its variation over 1 month. From here we can understand that its variation over time is different completely. And if I want to use it in another software, CSV is a good option. I can save it as a, let's say, UVA. Okay, if I find, let's open that one. We can see different concentration value over the specific time. And also we can download it as a PNG and use in other software. Okay, thank you very much for your attention. If you like these types of video, please like the video and also subscribe to my channel. Okay,